Now, a section of leaders from Meru County, including former Education Cabinet Secretary Jacob Kaimenyi, have added their voice to the Supreme Court ruling that nullified the election of President Uhuru Kenyatta. The operations of the IEBC and the October 17th election. The leaders have urged the IEBC to ensure that the election is held on the 17th of October to avoid interrupting the national examinations timetable.
IEBC must be supported to conduct free, fair, and credible elections as per the Constitution and the relevant electoral laws. Number 5, that IEBC, being an independent constitutional commission, shouldn't be dictated or directed by anybody on how to discharge its mandate. IEBC, like any other institution, if there are challenges, if there are problems, we won't believe, they have internal mechanisms through which these challenges or problems can be addressed. Number 6, we support all Kenyans. Chief among them His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta and the religious leaders that fresh elections be held on 17th of October as directed by IEBC. This, ladies and gentlemen, will ensure that the end of year examinations and indeed our education system are not interrupted for the satisfaction of Kenyans, especially our parents. Number 7, we urge the Supreme Court to expeditiously deliver their detailed ruling at the earliest opportunity so that Kenyans, you and I, can know the precise and meaningful reasons behind their ruling on 1st of September this year. We are saying in essence that if this can be done yesterday, before 21 days are over, it's good for the Kenyans to avoid protracted or prolonged delay and anxiety.